Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all of you in this video tutorial. This is the lesson number 4 for grade 2 mathematics, and we are studying this topic from the book The Carnivals, right? And the topic is our numbers up to 1000, and it's on page number 12. So guys, we finished yesterday expanding the numbers by completing these numbers, and just to revise the yesterday concept for expanding the numbers, what you need to do, you need to check the numbers, and you need to check their places, like this 3 places on hundreds. One stands on hundreds, so 3 value will be 300, so write their values. And as tens value is 50, so I will write 550 here, and then in the last one 0, so that 500 and 770 and 949. In that way we finished this expanding the numbers yesterday, right? Today what we are going to do, today we are going to complete this part 3. That is, we have to write the standard form. So for writing the standard form, what you need to do, you need to check the first digit of each expanding number, right? This is like 200. If you pick 2 from here, 1 from here, and 3 from here, so this will be your number. I'll take different color for you, and okay. So for this, what you need to do, you need to take first number like this 2, and first number, first digit from here in the tens place, this and this. So this will be 2, 1 and 3. In this way you can write a standard form. Okay, so if when it comes to here 500, so you need to write a standard form. So to write a standard form from expanding form, you will just pick the first digit of every places. Like on 100 place, this 500, so take out this 5. Tens place, there's 90, take out its first, that is 9. And on the 1 place, there is only 1 digit, that is 9. So you write 5, then 9, and then 9. It will become 599, like this, right? So in this way you have to complete. Come to the part C. Part C is also saying this. First number 8, so you will write 8 like this. And the second number, in the second on the tens position also first number is 8, and on the third position also is. So you will write 8, this 8, this 8, and this 8 here. So it will become 888, right? Come to the part D, and that is important thing for you. This 902. There are only 2 numbers. You can see, you can find only 2 numbers here, expanding into 2 numbers, 902. So this 900, that's mean it is placed on the 100, right? As 900 is placed on the 100, and 2 on one's place you can find only 1 digit, that is 2. So there is nothing on the tens position, so you will consider tens as 0. Why? Because there is nothing on the tens place. First place always ones, so that is 2. And this is 900, so that is on hundreds place. In the middle there is no tens place, so you will consider it as 0. So I will write first digit of hundreds 9, then on the tens place I will write 0, and on the ones place I will write this 902. So that will be the answer. So we completed question number 3. By the way, this you have to complete in your book. Now after this you have to take out your notebook and you start working in notebook. So I'll show you what to write in your notebook. Open your notebook first and write today days, 2 September 2020. Today is Wednesday, and we are going to practice work from page number 9, 10 and 11 on the heading of the topic, that is numbers up to 1000. The first thing what we have to do, that we have to write these numbers in and numerals. You have to write these numbers and numerals. Okay. You should know what are the numbers and what are the numerals. What are the numerals? Numerals means digits. Okay. So these are in the words form, numbers name form. We have to convert them into the digit form, in the new numbers form. Okay. So 636 is the number, and we have to write it in numbers. So whenever you are writing a number, first you have to check how many hundreds are there. 600, so I will write 6 here. Then and 30 means 3. Whenever 3 comes in the 10th place, you call it 30 and the last number is 6. So it is now 636. So now second one is 400, so I will write 4. I'll check 4, I write 420. When 2 comes in the 10th position, it becomes 20, so it's 20. Okay, and 3 is the last number. That's okay. The C part is saying 565, so we should write for the first number. What is, how many hundreds are there? 5, so I will write 5. Then 60. When 6 comes in the 10th position, we call it 60, so it is 6 and then 5. Then we have in the D part 872. So for the, as question is saying 8, so we write 8 first in the place of 100, and then 70. You can see it's 70. That's means 7. Since 7 comes in the 10th position, this is 70. It's 872. So we write 8, then 7, and the last is 2. So I will write 2 here. Same is for 900. We have how many hundreds? 987. So for 8, we write 8 here. As 8, we call it 80 when it comes in the 10th position, 10th place, and the last number is 7. This is how we write these numbers into the numerals. Now I am just highlighting it. So these are the answers, right? And we finished 2 parts here, right? The 2 numbers and words in today's lecture. So this is exactly opposite of the question number 1. In the question number 1, we have the number names, and we have to convert them into digits, into the numbers, into the numerals. But now we are going to have in question the numbers, and we have to write their number names. For your to make you understand easily, I write answer with the blue one so that it will be easy for you, right? So 812, it is 812, we call it 812. So first we write 100. For writing 800, we should know the spelling of 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Then 100, because 8 is at 100's place, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, 800, A-N-D, and. And what? 12, for 12 is spelling T-W-E-L-V-E, it's 812, okay. Then comes to the 398, it is 300, so we write 3 first. 3 spelling starts from pre, H-R-E-E, 3, then H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, 300, and N-I-M-E-T-Y, 90, and E-I-G-H-T, 8. Why 398? Because hundreds are 3, 9 whenever comes into the 10th position, so we'll say 90, 390, and the ones place at the 8. So this is the end of today's lecture for the grade 2 mathematics from the Carnival book, and inshallah I'll meet you in the next video. One more thing guys, if you missed to write anything in the notebook, because this work you have to complete in the notebook, so I'm going to share this Word file with you on Classera. If you don't understand anything, so you can ask me on Classera on my WhatsApp number. Okay, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.